logged. Milk ingredients verified. Emulsifiers confirmed. Pouring the oil sample now.
I'm seeing the crystals in the butter.
Good. This batch looks stable. Agreed. I'll log the data. Moisture is 4.2%, well within spec.
Great, note that down. I'm ready for the purity sample.
Here you go.
Checking under the scope now. Safety data sheet matches. All clear. It's approved. All quality checks passed. Production is approved. The conveyor is moving at the correct speed. Everything looks good. All quality checks passed, ready for production. Starting the conveyor now. Transport to the next station is under our way.
Initiating the mix cycle. Checking the kettle temperature. All systems are stable. As you can see, we're maintaining perfect temperatures across all zones. Yes, the readings look stable. Exactly. And the belt speed is constant at 4.5 meters per minute. I see. The graph is smooth. Perfect. Mixture is at 100.8 degrees, bubbling steadily. Stirring to check consistency. Looks good. Viscosity is on target. Ready for next step? Batch from March 2020 looks intact. Logging the inspection now.
All right, loading this pallet now. Got it. Moving to the next aisle. Watch the stack on your left. Thanks. Dropping it here. Clear here. Good pace.
Scanning pallet QR, data logged.